Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a 2009 Toyota Corolla and I'll be doing an oil change on this vehicle. For this job you will need a ratchet, 14 millimeter socket, oil filter. Now this is the wrench for the oil filter housing. This is a really good tool. I think I recommend that you guys get this if you're doing oil change on 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corollas. You need a crush washer and you need 4.5 quarts of oil. I'm using Mobil 1 SA5W20. You will need wheel chucks, and you will need your oil drain pan and a set of ramp so that you can access the underside of the car. For safety, make sure you chuck both of your rear wheels. After you have raised the car, just go ahead and slightly pull the oil dipstick out. You can also open the oil cap. All right, so the next step is to remove this 14 millimeter bolt. So after you finish draining the oil, make sure the crush washer for the drain plug is not stuck, on the oil pan. So make sure you use a screwdriver to gently pry the stuck washer. Okay, so after you have removed the old crush washer, just simply put the new one in the drain plug and hand tighten it slowly. You don't have to make this too tight. That should be enough. After you have tightened the drain plug, the next step is to remove this oil filter housing. So this is where I use this MotivX tool. Just fit this in. This is tight. Oh. Oh. Whew. Let's just go slow. Slowly unscrew it, and that's your oil filter housing. To replace the old oil filter, so remove this from the housing, the oil canister. Make sure you remove this rubber gasket as well, the old rubber gasket. So get your new oil filter. Just put this back and put the new oil filter in, and make sure you use the new gasket that comes with the filter. Make sure your gasket is seated properly, and use a thin layer of oil and coat it all around the gasket before putting this back in. Before you tighten this oil filter housing, make sure you clean the top of the oil filter housing surface properly. And tighten this thing by hand first. Okay, after you have tightened by hand, use your tool again to tighten this properly. Alright, that should do it. The next step is to pour the new oil into the engine. Use a funnel. This engine is a 1.8 liter, so this takes up about 4.4 quarts. So let's pour the oil into the engine. So I put in about 4.2 quarts for now. I'm going to start the engine and let it cool down, and I'm going to check the level and adjust it if necessary. But I think 4.2 quart should be enough. Close the engine oil cap properly. All right, let's check the level. Not sure if you can see it, but as long as the oil level is between this dot and this dot, and we're good. So it's about right here, so we're good.